Hi, this is Shannon Treichel, and I'm going to be talking about device neutral tools. That means a tool is usable no matter what device a student is using, whether it's an iPhone, an iPad, Chromebook, or any other type of web-based program. As students start moving to one-to-one and BYOD, teachers need to know what tools are available on these devices. If we use the web as a platform, we don't need to worry about a program not working on somebody's device. How are we going to engage students and integrate these tools into our curriculum? As always, it's not just about the tool we choose, but what it allows the students to learn. I chose 3 tools to talk about today. 2 of the tools are new to me, ones I haven't used with students before, but just found recently and want to try out for myself. The third tool is one I've used before and I love. I think all of these tools could be easily integrated into the curriculum areas for all grades. I will show you some examples of how they can be used, and you can think of ways you could use them in your classroom. The first one is SnapGuide. It allows users to create and share step-by-step guides with pictures, text, and videos. It can be used as an app, which is free, or as a website. It's easy to create and very easy to share via email, Twitter, Facebook, or with a link. Teachers could use it to give instructions, such as walking students through a science lab or a FACS recipe. Students could use it to create projects, and there are already thousands of Snap Guides created, so you could use it as a research tool. I'll show you the one that I created here. So my students have to make a recipe, a Spanish recipe using formal commands, and so I made one as an example to show them of what I kind of expect out of that. So here's step 1, and the directions you can type in are right there. Here's the second step with the commands. So it just walks through the steps, and there can be an ingredients page too. So that was the first Snap Guide I created, and it did not take very long to figure out. Was very easy to use. Okay, the second one I'm going to talk about today is HaikuDeck. It has been called the new PowerPoint for education. Again, it can be used as an app, which is free, or as a website. It's a fresh new way to present material that makes students focus on simplifying their message without getting bogged down by too many formatting choices. It's, again, very easy to use and easy to share. Here is the first one that I made. We just took a trip to Chicago, and so I made one about Chicago. This is just a picture I found on the internet that they had about Chicago, and then I just show that you can take pictures from the web, and these are all pictures that I took myself. I'm leaving it small screen here so I can show you that you can also type in notes over here about things that you want to say about the slides. You can of course make it full screen too, if you're doing a presentation. So there's my first HaikuDeck, and again, very easy to use, and there are lots of those created too that you could search through for examples. Okay, the last one I'm going to talk about today is ThingLink. This is one that I've used before with my students. It's a platform for creating interactive images on the web. You can make your images come alive by adding video, text, audio, and more. ThingLink is easy to use and easy to share. It works on all browsers and iPad and iPhone. So I will show you the ThingLinks that I've used. This is one I made when we did our family unit. So I just took a picture of my family, and then all of these are live links, and it will take you right to things that went with our family unit. So here's a self-check quiz. They could just click on this and it brings them to the quiz that they need to take. Here is a game. It can take them right to the game. Here's one that I found that was already made if you were a science teacher and wanted to talk about the solar system. These are all links that take you to different things about the solar system. So again, you can make your own, or there's already ones that are out there that are made for you. I'm excited to see how teachers and students in our district will be using these and other web-based tools to enhance learning. Thanks.